Hi everyone, it's Miss Theresa from the Ridgewood Public Library. Thank you for joining me today for story time. Let's begin with our hello song, and you can help me by clapping your hands. Here we go. Hello everybody, yes indeed, yes indeed, yes indeed. Hello everybody, yes indeed, yes indeed, my darling. Hooray! Hello to all the girls and hello to all the boys. Thank you for being here. Okay, let me tell you about today's stories. We are going to read some books about things we see in nature, like when you go for a walk in your neighborhood or even in your own backyard. There's lots to see and hear too. Birds and trees, the grass, bugs, maybe a bee or some grasshoppers or people riding their bikes. Let's begin with our first story, Tiny Perfect Things by M.H. Clark. Today we keep our eyes open for tiny perfect things. Like here on the ground, a yellow leaf that the wind blew down. A spider's web that's caught the light. The girl is looking right through the spider web. It's beautiful. A snail that climbed the fence last night. The snail. See all the crows up in this tree? I watch them and they watch me. You can see the tails of the crows. Here's a red bottle cap, holding it in his hand. And a man with a beautiful feather in his hat and a flower growing through a sidewalk crack. Look, our shadows are holding hands. They walk when we walk and they stand when we stand. See their shadows? I see a cat on the steps. There's the cat. And someone we know. Let's wave hello. Let's all give a big wave. Hello there. Here's an apple way up high, red against the blue, blue sky. And now I see the pale, bright moon. See the moon in the sky? It's getting cold. Let's go home soon. Around the corner, up the stairs, the light is on. Who's waiting there? Who do we see at the door? I bet you know. Goes meow. We found so many things today. A leaf, a snail, a cat, some crows. The world is full of wonders, no matter where we go. Can we go again tomorrow? I wonder what we'll see. The world is full of perfect things when you come look with me. Look at all the things you might see on one of your walks. Birds and a bird nest, butterflies, apples. How many tiny perfect things can you find? There's so much to discover when you open your eyes. Yay, the end. It's a nice story. about all the things you can discover when you're outside and explore. Okay, we are going to do a little song now, and it's about things that we might hear in our garden. Okay, here's my little garden. What do you see? You see some dirt, some grass, 2 flowers. Well, now let's listen to the sounds of some animals that you might recognize, and can you guess what they are? Okay, the name of our song is There's Something in My Garden. Here we go. There's something in my garden, now what can it be? There's something in my garden that I can't really see. Hear its funny sound. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Do you know? A frog is what I found. Let's add our frog to the garden. There's something in my garden, now what can it be? There's something in my garden that I can't really see. Hear its funny sound. Thump, thump, thump. Does anyone know what that is? It also likes to eat carrots. A bunny is what I found. Hop, hop, hop. There's something in my garden, now what can it be? There's something in my garden that I can't really see. Hear its funny sound. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Does anyone know? What can it be? You got it! A bird is what I see. There's something in my garden, now what can it be? There's something in my garden that I can't really see. Hear its funny sound. Quack, quack, quack. What could it be? Do you know? A duck! Yay! A duck is in my garden. Yay! They look like they're having fun. I'm so glad they joined me in my garden. Now we hear some things in our gardens, and we see a lot of things in our gardens and our walks outside, right? Yes, we do. Let's go on to our next book, and this one is Treasure by Messier and Luxbacher. Let's go find a treasure. Okay. How will we know when we found a treasure? Well, a treasure is shiny and mysterious and precious, and the best treasures are always hidden. Is this a treasure? It's a feather. No, it's not shiny enough. Looking in the pond, in the woods, for a treasure. Is this a treasure? Can you see it? It's an acorn. No, not mysterious enough. They're looking all around. How about this? He's holding up some sort of flower. No, not precious enough. Still looking. Do you see a treasure? Finding a treasure is hard. Finding a treasure is fun. Are you sure there is a treasure? Not a bit. Will you share the treasure with me if we find it? As long as you can help me carry it. Okay, I have pockets. But what if the treasure is too heavy? I have pockets too. The treasure is hidden too well. We might be getting close. They're walking through some water now, holding hands. The treasure is hidden too far away. I give up. Just a little bit further. I knew it. I found a treasure. Is it shiny? Yes. Is it mysterious? Oh, yes. Is it precious? Yes. Will it fit in my pocket? No way. Let me see. Any guesses? Any guesses of what that treasure might be? Wow, that's our treasure. Yes, some treasures are too big for pockets. There's a waterfall, beautiful waterfall that they found on their journey. Goodbye, treasure. Time for them to go back home. The end. I hope you enjoyed that story. Lots of things to see outside when you go explore. Have fun on your walks today or in the next couple of days. Let's end with our goodbye song. My hands say thank you with a clap, clap, clap. My feet say thank you with a tap, tap, tap. Clap, clap, clap. Tap, tap, tap. I wave my hands and say goodbye. Have fun out there. See you soon at the library.